In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy formatting in Excel. This is a quick skill that can save you a lot of time, especially when you have the same style repeated across multiple cells. The goal is simple: copy the formatting from one cell and apply it to another cell without changing the data itself. To begin, select cell A1. This should be the cell that already has the formatting you want to copy. Take a moment to look at the cell on your screen, especially things like font color, number formatting, borders, alignment, and any shading. Once cell A1 is highlighted, you are ready to transfer that formatting to a new location. Next, click the Home tab on the top ribbon. The Home tab is where you will find most of the editing and formatting tools. When you open it, make sure you can see the clipboard group, which is usually located toward the left side of the ribbon area. Now you will choose the tool that performs the copy of formatting. Click the Format Painter button, which is shown as a paintbrush icon inside the clipboard group. This is the key step. After you click it, Excel sets things up so that the next cell you click will receive the formatting from the original cell. After clicking Format Painter, move your cursor and click cell B2. This action applies the copied formatting instantly to cell B2. Watch for the change in B2 right away, such as the font style, size, color, or number format, updating to match A1. If the cell updates correctly, that means the formatting transfer worked as expected. At this point, it is worth taking a brief moment to confirm the result. Compare cell B2 to cell A1. If the styling matches, you have successfully copied formatting from one cell to another using Format Painter. If it does not match, you may want to double-check that you selected the correct source cell first, because Format Painter always copies from the currently selected formatted cell. Now let us extend the idea to multiple cells. Instead of applying formatting to just one destination cell, you can paste it across a range. To do that, double-click Format Painter in the clipboard group. Double-clicking is important because it keeps the Format Painter tool active even after you click one cell. This makes it easier to apply formatting across multiple cells without needing to reselect the tool each time. Once Format Painter is active, click and drag or click the cells you want to format. As you select each cell, Excel applies the formatting from A1 to those destinations. Continue selecting until you have formatted all the cells that need the same style. This is especially helpful when you have a whole column or row that should look consistent with a header or a reference cell. Finally, when you are finished applying the formatting, press the Escape key on your keyboard. Pressing ESC stops the copying formatting mode, so Excel returns to normal selection behavior. This helps you avoid accidentally painting formatting onto other areas later. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to copy formatting in Excel using Format Painter, including how to stop the process when you are done.